Hi everyone. Now it's Friday, and we're traditional speaking about the DeFi trends and the latest news related to the cryptocurrency industry and all the related topics about it. So before we start, I want to make a quick overview on the latest news before this weekend so that we can be on top of the news and be aware of what's happening in the market. So the biggest one is that this weekend we are expecting the Bitcoin price change according to some of the factors. And the authors of that article are telling us that there are several factors that influence the growth for Bitcoin. Now it's reaching 58K. It has reached 58K dollars. So the increase of open interest means two things. So more retail sales and institutional buying are going to be increasing shortly in this period, and this means that there is quite a bull trend that will bring the Bitcoin for the price raise. So that's the forecast. But of course, these forecasts can be neglected in case that miners are selling off, or retailers or users that are holding it are selling off. So we can't predict for sure for 100%, of course, and nobody guarantees that to you, but still we need to bear in mind that there are some risks and factors so that miners and holders can sell it. So but naturally all the major amount of experts are inclined to think that it's going to be a bull run. So that's the news. Let's go to Binance. So Binance Ad Merchant is issuing the payment platform, which is quite a good indicator, so that people and users who are using Binance Smart Chain blockchain ecosystem can do their payments. So they are adding new features to merchants and adding cryptocurrency payment platform, which will be released pretty soon. So this news is quite symbolic, and it gives us hope that this platform will give us the opportunity to broaden the opportunities and the abilities to pay. We know, and in our previous lectures, we were talking about Flexa payment system, and that was the only market player among all the truly decentralized payment systems. I'm not talking about the centralized payment systems which use crypto, but all those payment systems that are based on distributive blockchain or decentralized blockchain, of course. So that's a very remarkable news that we need to pay attention to. Now let's go to Ethereum world. In the Ethereum world, we have a pretty escalating conflict between blockchain creators, Vitalik's team, and miners. So Ethereum miners are protesting against the change in EIP 1559. So they are protesting it. So, but how the protest is looking at the cryptocurrency world? So they are protesting. Of course, miners do not want to lose that income they are getting from high gas prices, and of course they are not happy to lose money. Nobody would be happy, in fact. So they are planning to move their hash rate. So the protest in the cryptocurrency world is happening by moving the hash rate to different pools to show that they are united, that they are against the changes advanced by Vitalik's team. So they're opposed to that change, and of course they they will not be able to control for 51%. Well, we think so, yeah, but this is how it happens in the cryptocurrency and blockchain world, when people do not agree, and they are showing their disagreement by that. So you can read more about this conflict and conflict of interest. But what's interesting for us, for majority of users, is that this change is not only about getting the fees lower and making gas price lower. It's a more global change for us, rather than gas price or interest rate that we are paying. It's a little bit more global. So the reason is that Ethereum developers can introduce us a new mode with this change, with this EIP 1559 change, so that the structure is changed. It's not only about the gas prices, and there will be cut in the supply of Ethereum, causing the fees to drop, and of course lack of supply of Ethereum caused by that change will lead to price going up. So this is the key thing we need to draw our attention to. So that change can bring the rise. Of course, you have watched at our channel the video from Sergey Hack. You can follow the link in the description, and where he explains why the Ethereum price can be $5,000 per Ethereum. So you can watch this video. The link will be in the description. So this is the most important news that we need to know as users. So thanks for watching.